Win a free shirt from BustedTees.com every day this month of April on IWearYourShirt.com.
What's up, everybody? It's April 21st. I'm at the Fishway here at Royal Botanical Gardens. I'm going to sort some fish. I'm going to weigh some fish, measure some fish. I'm going to help them go out and breed. I'm going to help fish breed. Seems appropriate, right? Just wearing shirts helping fish breed. So the nasty carp go that way, gross carp, and all the other good fish go that way. So check them out. Got my sweet overalls on. Oh yeah. Not pounds, we don't do pounds here. We'll miss him. He was our friend. Little known fact about Jason Sadler, not allergic to poison ivy. No big deal. We're at the Nature Center at the Arboretum, and I've just met some turtles. I'll introduce you in a second. I wanted to show you a turtle show. It's kind of crazy. It's their butt. Right there. Sad tree is sad. It's okay, weeping purple beech. It's okay. I'm standing on some tree art, I guess. This is mulch, and a tree is inside this pile of mulch. This doesn't quite look like art to me. It looks like a big pile of mulch. I found some real art here at the Arboretum. And these are pieces of a willow tree, and they've been carved, shaped, smoothed, and they're really nice. This is actual art. This is pretty cool stuff. This is what they look like when they're carved down. It's not painted or anything. This is the natural color, so pretty cool stuff. I like it. Rock garden at RBG, and this place is pretty awesome. There's tons of tulips. 40,000 tulips have been planted. They were planted a couple months ago, and they're going to bloom pretty soon. But this is really inspirational, really nice. It's amazing to see things like this that are still intact in big cities. So hopefully I can get some great pictures to show you guys of what it looks like when it's all in bloom too.
You know you want that shirt that says "More Cowbell" on it.